Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change the key in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. We have the audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to change the key of our tracks and our music. The first thing you want to do is open up any of the instruments that you have right here. It all works the same. I'm going to open up the audio recorder, but it's going to open up this new menu of the recording where you can get started. It's all going to look the same. And what you want to do now is go ahead and go right here into the upper right corner. So guys, to be able to find the key that we can change is go right here into the upper right corner, click on the settings icon, and after clicking on the settings icon, now it's going to open up the settings of your music. And as you can see in this new menu that appears, there is an option that says key signature. And guys, what you want to do is click on key signature, and this is where you can get started with changing your keys. You have your E plus, D key, and so on. So you want to go ahead and select if you want a major, minor key, and so on, and select all the options that you have right here to get started with your designated key. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.